Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asema Kajana, but I go by the name Mahlechi. You'll be tuna this vlog. You'll be spending a day with me. I'm home in the Eastern Cape, so from the Eastern Cape, Villagelife. So basically, all right. Basically, you'll be spending few days with me. Sure it's going to be 2 or 3 vlogs. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. All right, so guys, let's go. It's 8 a.m. So yeah, okay, let me just hold my phone like this. Is that better? Okay guys, yeah, okay guys, it's so windy. Kuko hilanga, but then it's cold. Like, it's not that cold, but it is cold, and I have sinus, so I can't afford to not have my beanie on and my jacket on. You get. And that we use as a kitchen. This is the main house, so we do everything in this house. We make breakfast and everything. Yeah, this is basically the main house, guys. Uronda, if you know, you know. And then if you don't know now, you know. This is the house that we use as our kitchen. Yeah. So yeah guys, I don't have what's this thingy? I have a tripod, so I'll just place my phone here. It's on the microwave, washing machine. So on top of the washing machine, and I just hope it's going to show everything. Yeah, let's just see how it goes. But yeah, I don't have a tripod, so I'll just be placing my phone there. Let's just hope and pray, crossing fingers, but it's just going to show everything else. So yeah guys, this is the main house, this is the kitchen. Let's go. Right, so okay guys, you can see me now. Okay, if there's no water, I guess let's go fetch some water. We're going to fetch some water. We will use this typewriter. We have 3 of these. Just like these.
Besawuthi ukukhandela ngapha kalo nam umkhize lo utsho naye uthi udibene ngapha ngaphezulu ethi uyaleqa ndathi yo kawuyeke thina nilwana ngezotombo zokudala cheap kodwa ke qhumisa kakhulu ecaleni umbona uba likhe lishukume uba ulicingele uba linento kanti alinanto. Ngafika ke belishukuma akhona ngapha kwenantsika nawo maninzi ngapha kwetranki ndibe ngathi ukuthi nje kukuwathatha yawona kakabikho ngokusuka maloku
itranki phaya emkhukhweni
isingathi wena uvele nelizongo ngaligalela kuba lufutshane kule nto yakho
loo besenjani ma loo belinento fana
mhlawumbi lizabe yalo mhlawumbi lona lifane wagqibiyo
loo belifane njani
izabafana mhlawumbi ube negazana kawusondlisa
Okay guys, we just had breakfast. Oh, I'm so full. We had steamed bread, eggs, and then tea. Yeah. We had 3 tea. So good, so nice. I'm now going to the toilet. Yeah, let me just show you guys the way to the loo. Remember when I told you guys about izitya azipheli? This is what I meant. Kupuma one by one, one by one. Tell me why kupuma izitya klani? Who was drinking tea at Bayana? You see, this happens every day, every day. But yeah, okay, guys, this is it. This is me at home. You know what, guys? We've been washing these dishes. Let me just pause and then when we're mopping. Hey guys, this is ingqoqo sonka. It's breadcrumbs, ne? Yeah, breadcrumbs. So now we'll go feed it kumanjonjo. So okay guys, I'm not judging Goku. You feed them breadcrumbs or rice. So yeah, let's go get on with the day. Okay, fulela mandwendwe. Atiyo, fulela mandwendwe. Fulela mandwendwe, fulela mandwendwe. Atiyo, fulela mandwendwe. Uzophinda utshintshe masa. Hi, okay guys, my mom asked to take pictures, so this is us taking pictures, and I'm just going to quickly show you guys the pictures we took. Yes, these are the pictures, looking so cutesy, a girl. So yeah, okay guys, these are the pictures. Now let's go back to mopping and we'll go visit my friend. Yeah. I'll love you to the day that I die. Yeah, I'm done with everything. After washing the dishes, I want to take pictures of my mom, and then yeah, we chilled a bit, and now I'm about to mop the house, this house. I think the other house we're going to clean it tomorrow, and yeah, so after this I'm going to bath, and then I'll go see that friend of mine who spoke about bless me. Okay. Okay guys, these are my nephews. They just got back from this is Lloyd, and then the other two, so they mama no so yeah, ke ngoku bayaqokelela nje izinto bazihlele kwiindawo zazo sikuzolinywa. Yeah, so bebeyolungisa izo nto kuba kuthi kufika isizini yolima yonke into ibe right. They just leaving now to visit their friends and stuff, you know what boys do. So yeah, my mom is probably trying to send us something. There she is there. And yeah, okay guys, and that's my dad. He just got back from Lansini Akenai. Hi guys, I forgot to vlog. So this is me. I ended up visiting in the friend I was telling you guys about, Cindy, and this is us, man, catching up. I had so much fun, and let me see you guys in the next vlog. I promise I'll have a nice closing. Love you.